everyone, Unicorn1513 here, and today is part 2 of my restoring this old AG doll that I got off eBay. And sorry for this weird intro, I did not know that I was going to have to make these into parts. So I'm going to have a part 1, which I will leave in the description, and a part 2. So I'm just going to continue on from where I left off in part 1. So I'm just going to continue. Okay, so after I got done dunking her hair in fabric softener and washing it with conditioner, I straightened it, and I also put it into braids, and then I put this little bow in it. So that is what her hair looks like now, and it is all dried now. And I'm just continuing on with painting. So I'm trying to fix her nails. So I just mixed some beige colors together to match her nails. So that is what I'm doing. And then I'm going to seal all of the paint. And I'm just going to fix her cheeks a little bit and her nails, and then we're just going to seal the paint. Going to seal her paint, and I'm going to use this Mod Podge, and I'm going to use the matte version. So I'm just going to dip my brush in a little bit into the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to seal her paint. And I'm just going to start with her nails. So she's all finished, and I put her in this cute outfit, and here is what she looks like now. And I will put some before and after pictures, and I really love how she turned out. And this was my first time working on an American Girl, trying to restore her, and here is what she turned out to look like, and I absolutely love her. And I think I'm going to name her Abigail May, but if you guys have any name suggestions, please let me know, and I would love to hear some name suggestions. And that is what she looks like. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit closer up what she looks like. And I really like how bright her cheeks are and her lips, and I just think she looks really pretty. And here's what her eyes turned out to look like when they are closed. So they match her skin now. And here is how her hands turned out. It's still a little bit darker than her skin tone, but it's better than the green how it was. And that is how her hands turned out. And here is how her hair turned out. So I'm just going to show you guys that. I just put it in a braid, and then I put this little bow in it. And here is how it turned out. Okay, so that is the end of this video, and please don't forget to click subscribe and click the little bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys have any requests or anything, please let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!